Hello and good morning. I'm meteorologist Sean McAday, and there's a lot going on next 24 hours. This morning, freezing temps have frozen over some of those roadways, made for slick spots probably on some bridges, something to be aware of. But snow flurries have been ongoing, but the more impactful snow, the stuff you'll definitely notice, that arrives this afternoon when everyone wants to be on the roads. Then it turns to rain. Funny enough, most of the time we talk about snows like this, it gets colder. The opposite is happening today. It turns to rain, it warms up so much. It all freezes over tomorrow, and the slush, whatever's fallen or melted overnight, yeah, that's going to freeze over again. Here's a look at how today plays on that next 24 hours. Temps rising from the teens this morning up to near 40 degrees by midnight. It is about to get very warm. And that warm front with the heavier impactful snow moves in during the time that everyone wants to get from A to B, 4, 5, 6 p.m. That is going to come down. At times it could be heavier. The heaviest probably only lasts for about an hour in some spots. And then things turn to rain. That rain could also be a problem because it's going to melt all the snow that's accumulated, which won't be a whole lot, but in some spots where it does accumulate, it melts again. Then it freezes over tomorrow morning when those temps drop back down. The other thing is when it's snowing, 3, 4, 5 p.m., the winds are picking up, and we could see gusts from about 5 p.m. through 9 p.m., 10 p.m., up to 40 miles per hour in some spots. So that's an impact in and of itself, blowing snow. Here's a look at when that heavy, impactful snow arrives this afternoon. For most of us, it's 4 to 5 p.m. Maybe Owatonna, Albert Lea, closer to like 3:30, then 4 p.m. towards places like Dodge Center, Austin, Northwood, Mason City, maybe towards like 4:30, Rochester, closer to 5, and same thing towards Charles City. And you get the idea, it continues to move from the northwest to the southeast. Here's a look at what I mean. This is our computer model. Watch as the snow moves in and how these temperatures tick from the teens to the 20s like they are now, upwards and upwards. So here we are, lunchtime, temps in the 20s, winds out of the south. There's probably going to be some flurries that start out ahead of the more impactful snow that arrives later. 3 p.m., some of that is starting to move into Albert Lea and Owatonna. That continues to draw closer and closer. 4, 5 p.m., that heavy snow, it's definitely snowing through the whole area now, and that heavy snow is met with things turning to rain soon after that. And those scattered rain showers are just kind of on and off all night when temps are now in the 30s above freezing. Tomorrow morning we'll be dealing with, looks like some flurries, might be some ice or rain mixed in there, and temps rapidly falling throughout the day. So we're talking about impacts with this whole thing. Snowfall accumulation, not so much. The intensity in winds, yeah, that's a problem. And slick roads, more so a problem, especially tomorrow when things freeze over again. 7-day forecast this weekend looking cooler. We wake up Saturday morning below 0.